share with you how to create Gary Vee style videos without breaking the bank, without editing skills, and so on. So this is a software that I use called ClipScribe. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. This software is freaking brilliant. Let me show you a quick video example of something that I created with it. So I'm gonna click play and just have a watch quickly. Okay, so everything that you see from this section right in the middle, this was created with a different software, okay? And I'm gonna leave the link for that software as well. And this software is fantastic. I think I paid about 100 or 200 bucks for it, so you can get it as well. And this software is incredible. This video took me probably about 30 minutes to create, and it's a brilliant software. In terms of creating the Gary Vee style videos, like this thing at the bottom, obviously this is all customizable and so on. And also this logo, this text on the top, and this banner. This was created with ClipScribe. I'm gonna show you a couple of examples. So first of all, this was video number 1. And here is another video that I did, and I'll just show you another example of it. And you can see what I created here is, you can see it's got the subtitles. It's got a little clock that runs down. There is the header, logo, and whatever, okay? Now, the way it works is very simple. You upload a video here, and then you see the video. Now, the next video that I need to actually work with is this one, how to get referrals. That's the one that I'm working on next. So when I click it, it does this cool thing, and then you can choose which layout you want. Now, you can, if you look, it says here, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You could choose whatever size and all that. Now, I personally want to use this one because I want to have a header, and I want to have subtitles. So I click the subtitles, okay, or this one, and then what it does, it now will render the video. Now, what does that mean by rendering? What it does is it actually transcribes the entire video, okay? So if you go right here to here, you'll see that it actually transcribes. Now, obviously it transcribes based on voice recognition. So there are errors, so you do have to go through and fix it. So let me show you an example. Hey, it's Eran here, and in this video... Okay, so obviously my name is Eran. It's Eran here, not around here. So that's fine, that's typical, you know, and in this video, and then when you click it, it just literally bounces onto the next one, the next one, the next one, right? So let's just show you again. Hey, it's Eran here, and in this video we're going to cover how to get other people to give you referrals, okay? It's a very, very powerful topic. And okay, so obviously there's a typo there. How to give you referrals, right? So you just change it like that, okay? So you just go through one by one, and it does take a few minutes, but you know, this is a better 2 minute, maybe 4 minutes video. So you just go through, and it literally does exactly that. It is brilliant how it just tracks everything. Now, if you go to a website like rev.com, you will pay $1 per minute just for the transcription. I will leave a link below for Rev, because if you haven't used Rev, they actually, you know, if you want to save the time of doing this, then you can actually just upload a file and so on, so it makes your life easier. And also, if you're using Rev, then it just means you don't have to go through this process. Okay, so this can be a little bit time consuming. And the Rev link that I have for you, you'll get $10 off your first order as well. But in terms of creating videos here, let me just show you. So here, obviously, this is the top bar headline, so it's this color. So you can click here and just change the color like that, okay? You can also go like here and change it, click on choose, and then click it again, and then click this button, okay? So this is what it gives you. Then you can always add a headline. So on the headline, it lets you put it wherever you want. It's really, really easy, drag and drop. It's very, very similar to Canva, really. And then you can change the font. Now, I found that it doesn't have necessarily all the fonts that I want, but, you know, it's really not the end of the world, you know, in terms of, like, it doesn't have my specific brand font. but it doesn't stop me from creating a super professional video. So for example, I want to call this how to find referrals, right? And like that. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And here on the sizes, you can obviously increase the size. So it's a bigger, you know, like that, okay? And you can't really change anything here. You literally have to change it here. You can always add logo. So I've got different logos, for example. So if I want to add this is what I want to add my logo, right? Now, in terms of the branding here, I want it to be white. I don't want it to be all this color. So how to find referrals, how to get other people to give you referrals. That's the name, right? How to get other people to give you referrals. Okay, so we're gonna make it a bit smaller so it actually fits. Put it right here, and there you go. Okay. Now, in terms of the subtitles, this is where it's really, really awesome. So first of all, again, you could just change the color if you want it to be something else or whatever you want it to be, and so on. Now, you can also use emoji, so you can add those anywhere you want. Let's do a little heart, right? So again, you can drag and drop the emoji. And then the other thing you could do is add a timer. Now the timer, you could use any of these, or you can use blocks, so it times it like that, or you could do a full, so it goes around, right? That's the other option. So whatever kind of floats your boat, just go ahead and pick it. So I'm just gonna pick this one, like that. And then you can actually change the colors as well. So we're just going to change it to this. So this is the beginning and this is the end, okay? So let's just say we'll make it black, and this one will make it green, you see? So this is how the timeline will go. So you can actually make the branding the way you want it to be. I'm just gonna make it just for the hell of it, doesn't really matter, right? And then once you edited it, you click on plus, and it's been added. And then you can move it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. That's totally up to you. It's totally customizable, okay? Now you can go here. Obviously you can delete if you don't like the emoji. I don't like the emoji personally. And then it's gone, okay? Once that's done, you simply click on save and you click on make, and it will literally render the video and make it for you. It is really that simple. So I obviously have to do some work on the subtitles here and so on. So I'm not gonna bore you with me doing that, but this is how great it is. Now, ClipScribe have a great pricing options as well, which I want to share it with you. So let me just open up a new tab so you can see. This is the sales page once you check it out. So you can check it out and look at the pricing. So the pricing is phenomenal, actually. You get unlimited video exports, okay? The video storage, you can store up to 80 gig on this plan or 30 gig on this plan. You have all the features. It's a 1-year license, and you pay $90 for the agency, $45 if it's just for yourself. Now, in terms of the subscriptions, you get 30 minutes of subscriptions of transcription per month. So let's say you do, like me, I'm doing video ads at the moment for Facebook and so on, or my Instagram. I can do up to 30 minutes where it actually transcribes it for me, which per month, that's a lot, right? And you get it for 45 only. Now, you could also get the $90, which gives you ability to make videos for clients as well. So these are the prices. I'm really impressed. I have bought other software like this, just so you know. Another one, I think one was called Video Wrapper, and honestly, nothing comes close to the quality of this software. Again, it's called ClipScribe. I will leave the link below in the description. If you don't mind using that link, I do get a little affiliate commission. And if you do make a purchase using my affiliate link for any of these, for these tools, I'll send me an email to let me know you made a purchase, or comment below, and I'll give you a free gift as well. I have a bunch of beginner guides that I sell for $17. Happy to give it to you for free. And you know, I've got a bunch of courses as well. You can look at my courses. It's you can go to store.eranbucai.com and just have a look and see if you want any freebies. Just let me know. Just, all I ask for in exchange is that you buy using my affiliate link. So there you go. Really impressed with this software. You can make Gary Vee style videos that way really easy. And you could see there's a whole bunch of options here, multiple formats, branding, countdowns, headline, and captions. So this is great value, and I hope you take advantage of this. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next video.